For x, it kind of looks like a proportion, or at least it has a fraction on both sides. Because I have a fraction, I'm going to get rid of that by multiplying by the denominator. So multiplying both sides by 3. And then I distribute that. 3x plus 18. And then that cancels. Ooh, I like that. And that's x plus 2. I have a variable on both sides. I can subtract from either one. I'm just going to subtract from this side because I always do. But you could have subtracted the x, that's fine. And use your inverse operations, subtraction property of inequality. I get 18 equals, that's really a 1. 1 take away 3, 1, what? Oh, that's negative 2x plus 2. Now I'm going to get rid of my constant using inverse operations, subtraction, and because I subtracted 2 here, in subtraction property of equality requests that I subtract 2 here. And I get negative 2x equals 16. Then I divide by my coefficient. Because I divided here, the division property of equality says I divide here. And I get negative 8 equals x. This also can be done in a calculator. One way is in graph. Trying to avoid this light here. And I would delete the equal. I would choose 6. I would type it. Here we go. Press enter. I trace it, menu 5-1. And there we go. There's no shading, so my answer is equal. So I would have x equals, and then here's the number, negative 8. So I would get x equals negative 8 here. Another way that I can do it in the calculator is I can go to calculator, and I can type it in through InSolve. Menu 3, 1. Okay, I would type that in again and make sure that I don't forget comma x. Enter, and I get negative 8.